those are the 4 today. But not the big one. I think I'm going all the way up there. Let's take a quick shot of the mountain that I literally got to watch an avalanche go off of. That was pretty cool. I got like a kind of a picture showing it, but look at the trees. I don't say that word anymore. Whew.
Yeah, great idea.
Wish you were here, Jordan. It's a shame you're at the office. To quote the wise words of Kanye, my life's dope and I do dope shit. Significantly different than when I was here in January. Like that one's Devil's Thumb. That one's Big Beehive. Little shot from the trail. And we continue. Just a little video of what we're going up. I don't know where it goes after that. I think it goes over there. Just missed a frickin' another avalanche. Couldn't have happened 5 minutes ago when I could have seen it. Now that's what we came up. This one, it's actually a harder hike. I think it's a good idea. The avalanche was just over there through those trees. End of Big Beehive. Really cool seeing all the canoes out there. There's a mirror lake down there. I think that's a little beehive. Piran's hiding behind those. Behind that tree.